In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam EA account or unlink Steam from EA. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect Steam from your EA account safely, what to expect during the process, and a few tips to avoid losing anything important. First, make sure you can sign into your EA account and that you have access to the security email on file, since EA may ask you to verify your identity. It also helps to close any EA or Steam games before you start, just to avoid conflicts while you make changes. Head to ea.com and sign in. In the top right corner, click the profile icon and choose Account Settings. If you land on a General Settings page, look for the section labeled Connected Accounts or Connections. This is where EA lists all platforms linked to your account. Find Steam in that list. Next to it, you'll see an option to unlink. Click that. This doesn't immediately disconnect anything, it opens a confirmation flow so you can review what unlinking means before you proceed. Take a moment to read the disclaimer carefully. Unlinking breaks the tie between your Steam profile and this EA account. In many cases, game progress, DLC, rewards, entitlements, and purchases are tied to the EA account you're unlinking from and won't carry over if you later connect Steam to a different EA account. Some items may be permanently lost or need to be repurchased. If there's anything you're unsure about, consider checking the support pages for the specific game first. When you're confident you understand the risks, check the box acknowledging the disclaimer. When prompted, verify your identity. EA will typically send a one-time security code to your registered email. Retrieve that code, enter it on the site, and submit. If a code doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder before requesting a new one. Entering the correct code completes the unlinking process. You should see a confirmation that Steam is no longer connected to your EA account, and Steam will disappear from the connected accounts list. From here, your Steam profile is free of this EA link. If your goal was to use a different EA account with Steam, that opportunity usually appears the next time you launch an EA-enabled game on Steam, but remember that progress and purchases tied to the old EA account won't transfer to the new one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.